16th of August 2013. Now, for those of you who don't know, I'd like to welcome some new premium members to the Traders Truth Review Twin membership website. Welcome to the family. And last week we did not do closing bell because last Thursday and Friday was the Hari Raya. I hope you all have a pleasant rest and on with the trading that we have. Trading this week has been somewhat of muted because of the holiday season, the Hari Raya, as most people are still on leave, they're on the way coming back. And don't forget, for the week leading to the 7th and the 8th, just before the Hari Raya, we only have 2.5 tradings days, and this week we have 5 full trading days. So as you can see, everything is red, right? The Straits Time is down almost 0.8%. Hang Seng was up, actually was down back 0.1. This is a lot got to do with the QE tapering that we've been hearing on the news now. Tonight, I think in US, they will be talking about whether QE is going to happen or not happen. There's two sides of the story now. Some would say likely to happen end of the year, and another group might say it will start to taper off as early as September, where the regular bond buying has been doing at 85 billion. It might just taper off to 80 billion. So it's not really a complete tapering where from 85 billion of bond buying to zero bond buying. So make note of that. This is it's what's really pushing the news in there. Another thing is also the 10-year Treasury yield rates, which has gone up from 2.75 to 2.77, touching almost 2.8. That has spoke a lot of the market in there. And this is what's happening. I will show you the chart afterwards for the Dow Jones and probably look at it from here. Now, just one announcement we made, another additional to the Friday closing bell for this now onwards is the additional adding of a stock pick, because I'm a broker and there's a lot of requests to actually look at some of the penny stocks. So we are starting a new penny and warrant corner, which what we'll be doing, we'll be looking at this highly risky and speculative trading in nature, where I was told, and you could actually make 1,000% in a couple of days, as well lose few thousand% in a couple of days, because it can go bankrupt too. So this is just to add a bit of the excitement to the Traders Truth Review stock pick and see how we go from there, and just to add a bit of volume to your trading. And in my opinion, this highly speculative and high risk trading stock, it's not for the beginner, it's for people who is experienced. For those of you who is just new in the market, you may just stay and watch the stock pick and see how it pan up in the coming weeks. Okay, so that's something new for the closing bell, the penny and warrant corner, where we'll be generally looking at stock price below 1 ringgit for both warrant and the KLSC stocks. So as I say, this is almost gambling. You can lose a lot more money if you go playing on margin. So if you're a beginner, stay away from the penny and warrant stock and stick to the mid cap to the large cap stock with paying high dividend yield. I can tell you that you're not going to lose money. As we just got a letter from one of our premium members, he has a double-digit return so far for the last 6 to 7 months, and is quite happy with the premium membership. All right. Okay, now let's push on what we have seen so far. Now, last week we did say, or the more like on the 2nd of August 2023, we did say the market was about to move on a sideways market. Let me just show you in the chart here. 2nd of August was somewhere around here. We did say market is likely to move sideways. I was really surprised by this, 5-day line sheet that push up to retest the 1800 level. However, having said that, pushing up the 1800 level, a lot of analysts say that, hey, we might test back the 1810. Immediately, the market reversed back. And if you like this is actually more like an uptrust. Market opened up at 1800, but to reverse back to the downside, to close back below 1800. So that tells you there is a lot of buyer coming out. Sorry, there's a lot of seller coming out at 1800, new seller that's ready to sell into this rally should there happen to be one. Now, one definitely is the seller would be a lot of the foreign funds that we've been following our daily posting, which I will show you is that we've been having foreign fund flows out from the currency market out, and they are happening at a very quick rate. Not that alarming, but they are following out. As we can see, this is partly due to the QE tapering, where a higher US dollar is expected, and the ringgit is also weakening as part of this foreign funds flows, because they have to buy US dollar and sell the ringgit. And I will show you also that you can see the ringgit to US dollar has broken up to 3.27. I do see a 3.3 to a 3.35 coming up very soon. That will make our ringgit weakening as a result. And even the Sing dollar against ringgit has gone to 2.58. In the past, we have not gone to that, and this is the first time it has gone up to that level, almost about 10-year low for the Malaysian ringgit versus the Sing dollar. So those client of us who has some money parked in the Sing dollar denominator for the SGX portfolio will do pretty well. That's what I've been following this website. We've been advocating people to open up the SGX portfolio to hedge against some of your ringgit denominated portfolio by investing in the dividend, high yield dividend stocks, which has also been the main theme for the Traders to Review website. Okay, so moving forward here, so you could see we still have a support at 1790. Markets likely to drift back to 1780 in here. Nothing really excited.